Okay, there's the girls playing in the blanket. They love to play. I see you. Where's Callie? Oh, here goes Molly. Daisy, where are you going, sweetie? Oh, it's okay. Settle down. All right, Belle. My goodness. Out. Put the dogs out, please. Who's in there? Let's see who's in there. I see you, Callie. Oh, goodness. Okay, where's the other ones? Here goes. Right, let's see, that's Molly in there. There's Daisy right here. Hi, Daisy. Hi. It's so funny to watch the blanket move up and down. Well, hi. You gonna cover up? What? Hi there. You gotta come around the other side. This is Mia. Come over here, Mia.